Hello everyone, it's Dr. Gupta at the Dermatology Laser and Vein Center, and today we're going to do some Botox injections for facial expression lines. So we're going to be treating between the brows, which is called the glabella. And can you squint your nose for me? These are called bunny lines here above the nose, so we're also going to treat those. And then raise up your eyebrows. So this is the forehead muscle. It's called the frontalis muscle, and we're going to treat that in a way that it gives a nice brow lift as well. And then go ahead and smile. This is what she hates the most, are these crow's feet around the eyes. We are also going to treat the DAO muscle to prevent the downturn. It can be treated, and in the past we've also treated the neck just to help with all the bands. But she actually had all therapy just not too long ago, and she feels like her neck has actually already tightened, so we don't need the Botox there today. But we're going to treat the rest of the face. So here we go. It's just a very, very tiny needle. It's a 30 gauge little needle, and she does very well. Okay, go ahead and squeeze your brows for me together like this. So first we're going to treat the glabellar complex. You can go ahead and relax. And here comes the little injection. So just injecting right into these muscle bellies here. And the Botox is going to help reduce the movement of those muscles. And again, the idea is not for it to look overdone. You don't necessarily need to look frozen. It just needs to diminish the movement enough so that the lines do not have a chance to establish themselves and get stronger with time. It's nice to still have a little movement so you have some expression. Nowadays, a lot of our younger patients are coming in and getting baby Botox just as a preventive measure as well. So the minute you start noticing that you are getting expression lines, if you can, it's a good idea to start with the Botox, because it of course helps the lines, but it also reestablishes better habits of not making those expressions that create the wrinkles in the first place. There are ways to show surprise without having to raise your eyebrows all the way up and then create the frontalis. Okay, lift up your eyebrows again. Okay, relax. Sides. This is an area where we want to be careful not to over inject neurotoxin, otherwise it can cause the brow just to kind of droop too much. But I do want to put just a tad in here so she does not get too much of a winged appearance on the sides. And then adding a little bit to the lateral brow actually also helps to lift up the brow itself. Smile again for me, please.